What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jacque Brandon Phillips, and welcome to Digital Cove. And today, as you saw in the thumbnail, we'll be reviewing Shopinspect, which is a product created by Kevin David, where you're able to find viral products, targeting, and create free videos for all your Facebook ads. So you do not want to miss this. I'll put a link in the description down below. So if this is something that you're interested in, give me that thumbs up, and we'll get right to it. So yeah, guys, I'm on the home page, and as you can see already from the jump, that is able to find viral products that have been scaling really fast in the past 7 days. So as you can see in this first one where it says wireless headsets, the growth is ridiculous right now. This is the amount of orders that it's had in the past 7 days, and it also has other products that are available to use. The growth isn't as high as you can see where it says hot. These are the ones that are like, need to get on it right now, get on it ASAP before everybody else does. But it's pretty cool how it shows the growth of it, as well as, I'll click on this, the analytics and the Facebook targeting. As you can see, it pulls in the actual images from AliExpress, so you can just use these. You don't have to actually like copy and paste from AliExpress and basically slow you down on creating your ads. You can just get right to it. But anyway, it shows you the factory price of what these gloves go for. Shipping cost is already included, and I do not think this is the e-pack price. So like what e-pack basically is it has tracking on it. So if the shipping cost is included in this, that basically means that e-pack is not basically associated with this product. So you can easily just go in there and toggle e-pack it, and that way you get your tracking. But just FYI, I have noticed that with this software. And then the selling price is 99 cents, and it gives you the profit margin as well, and the interest you can target on Facebook. So this is a great way to start, just using these 3 different targeting groups. And then also on the right, you have your word cloud, and the bigger the words, the bigger the volume of searches for that keyword term. So let's say, for example, that you want to create an ad for or using YouTube or using the Gmail method. If you don't know what the Gmail method is, check out my videos of the 30-day challenge. It's the stealth method that I have in there, so check it out. But anyway, in a nutshell, what that is, it's basically going to pull these keywords in, and you can create an intent-based audience. So anybody that types in these keywords, it's going to pull up in their Gmail account on their email. So if you're curious about how that's done, again, check out my 30-day challenge of the 30 different industries that I created leads for. But anyway, moving right along. Scrolling down to the bottom, customer demographics. So you have male and female. So you can see they're targeting more of the male demo. 25 to 34 is probably going to be your sweet spot. But again, you can just scale out. Start 18 to 64, then and scale out accordingly and optimize. But let's see. Then, of course, like I said before, you can create your free video with this thing. So let's say I just want to create a video for this, and it's going to pull in all the unique features that are actually featured in AliExpress for this product, so you don't have to even worry about that. So let me go ahead and create this video for you guys so you guys can check it out. You can also upload any more files that you choose to as well. So let's say that you want to fix one of these up, or clear some bugs that are on it, or optimize the image. By all means, go for it. You just upload it and you're good to go. So as you can see, these are all the videos that I've downloaded using the software. And so I'm gonna hit download, and then I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to play it for you guys so you guys can check it out. Cool, right? So it's really that simple and easy for you guys to do. It's very clean. It's simple. It's straight to the point. It shows the images at very high quality as well. So definitely use that for your Facebook ads and test it out and see how it works. But great software. Then also has, let's see, Shopify products. So let's say that you're in the dog niche, so you just type in dog, or you type in for your yoga niche. I'll just do this real quick. You just type in yoga. It's gonna find all the products related to yoga, and then how many sales that they're getting. So click on that. And then it directs you to the store where it's staged at. And you can kind of see how it's laid out with the store. That way you can kind of mimic the same look and feel. Very, very clean. It's branded very, very well. Has great reviews on here. Very clean. I like the way that everything's laid out. You can review it on here as well. I'm pretty sure this store is getting a lot of volume. As you can see, it was, where's it at? It's getting over, well over $200,000 worth of revenue per month. So that could be a product that you could dip into a little bit and test it out, see if it works for you. And of course, you can see the landing page like I just went to. You can see how it looks and how everything's above the fold, basically. So you don't have to scroll down and see anything else for this specific product. So but yeah, I hope that helps for that one. And then let's go ahead and go to this different section. So Shopify shop search. So if you want to look for a different shop that's in your industry, just type in like water bottle, so you can see what's hot right now. Again, so it has like the Google trend to see if you're looking for a product for your store, to see if it's on an upward trend or downward, or if it's pretty steady. Again, it displays the word cloud, so if you want to use Google for any reason, you can use that as well. And then you have these monthly revenues. The store's making 11 million, estimated 11 million per month. I don't know how true that is, but I don't know how they're extracting the data from it. But if you go to the store, you can check it out. And it looks like they probably are making $11 million based on the way the brand looks. But yeah, this just gives you a good first impression of different stores that might be in your niche. That way you can but mimic the way they look and feel of their brand, and that way you can do the same thing. And also it has social accounts on there too, so you can kind of see how they're repping their brand across all platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So you can see they're getting a lot of likes for their images. Not a lot of comments, but just a lot of likes. And then 75 or 78,000 followers. Let's see what else we got. We have top Shopify stores. So if you want to do something like this, you want to create some tarot cards, hey, go for it. Apparently this company is crushing it right now. I think people are just getting it for the designs. I don't know, but nevertheless, the brand is on point. Everything looks great. It's clean, very easy to navigate. See the reviews, very well done. And you just kind of go through again, try to get ideas of your store. If you're not really sure about what you want to do, just kind of come through here and like see what the kind of sales that they're getting per month, and then check out the social pages with Pinterest and Facebook and Instagram and whatnot. And again, make sure your brand is on point. That's the most important thing. That's one thing that I've noticed with all these stores that are just dominating right now. Is just the brand is just just ridiculously on point. So make sure you have that going for you if you want to hit 6 to 7 figures with the Shopify store. You definitely want to have that thing again aligned with your products and your values as well, to help you get sales and help you convert. And then we have trending Shopify stores. So now it's just showing you the monthly visits that it's getting. And you can kind of say like, okay, well, I'm thinking about doing some headsets. So you can kind of just like see what they're looking at, or how they're looking at. It's like very clean, simple way. But yeah, guys, that's Shopinspect in a nutshell, and does have an affiliate program as well. And I will put a link down below so you can check it out, see if you're into it. If not, no worries. I believe they have a 4-day trial or a 5-day trial, so you can just check it out. And let me know what you think. If you guys have used this before, or you guys have or need help with Shopify stores, put a comment below, let me know. And I'm just kind of curious of what everybody's having an issue with. Is it converting sales, or is it getting reoccurring sales? I'm just really curious of what everybody's trouble is or pain point is with their Shopify store. Is it finding viral products like this one? What is it? So, but yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.